So welcome to our little unboxing of our latest little gadget from Insta, and this is the Insta360 X3 360 degree action camera. So I've taken the cellophane off this box, so I'm itching to get this box open if we possibly can. So for actual people like me with very large fingers, it was almost like a suction holding the box together, but we're into the box now. So it's a lovely kind of packaged camera. Look at the packaging around this. It's almost resembling a beautiful iPhone box and stuff, you know. So there is the actual camera unit. So let's just take it out and have a little peep at that. But that looks absolutely incredible. So both lenses have got this little tiny film on there that I need to remove straight away. I'm getting all the my fingers and nails. Oh my goodness me, is he going to do it? I don't think he's going to do it. Oh, there he is. Okay, just got the nail in there. So that's just that little bit of film that we wanted to remove to get started. So we're okay, there's that little bit of film, and so there is the Insta360. Looks amazing. There's another, there's another bit of plastic on the screen there as well. So there's the battery box by the looks of it on the side. It looks like there's a couple of little tiny levers and the battery ejects like that. So that is where I can see straight away where the micro SD card slot is. So in our little bundle we have somewhere here, there we go, they have sent us a nice 256 gigabyte micro SD with an adapter in the packaging as well. So the first thing I want to actually do is remove that out and get that SD card in the camera. I don't know if anybody recommends any apps for this actual camera. I haven't actually. There's apps available apparently. So there we have it. I'm just going to slot that in there by the looks of it. Let's just slot that in there. There she goes. She's in the little slot there. That's perfect. And then what we'll do is put the battery back in. Quite a nice little snug fit battery actually. You can see it just pops out there. There it goes in there. That looks perfect. So I think, there's another little bit of plastic on that side as well that we'll remove. So we'll proceed to see what else is in the box. We'll just put the camera over there, and there's another box inside the box. So we'll pull out that one and then just have a little sneaky look inside of this one, because in here somewhere must be a charging lead. So that looks like a little tiny bag. We'll just get into everything and just get it all out so we can see what we've actually got here. There's a nice little bag, a little sort of sleeve style there. So the whole camera will just slot in there. That's quite a tight fitting bag actually. That's nice there. That's very nice. Very good. Okay, we'll just remove it again like that, and then back to the box. There's some information, quick start booklet, waterproofing, what to know. I know you've got the safety guidelines and the warranty card in the box there. I know you've got to just make sure these little doors are snap shut. There's like a little orange, so there's the little snap lever, and that takes us through to the little USB port there for charging. But when you close these, you just got to make sure they're snapped in, and that little orange window disappears to make sure it's watertight. But it feels really grippy on the sides. I'm really excited because it looks absolutely immense bit of kit. It feels so well made. There's the little mounting down the bottom to go on a tripod, or the selfie stick, or different mounts available for it, various different mounts. So right, okay, let's just get back in this box. What else have we got in here? So we have got a little tiny lens cleaning cloth by the looks of things. It would be lovely. There it is, Insta360. So that's a lovely little cloth for wiping everything down. What I'm thinking about as well, I'm just going to take all this plastic off if I can achieve it. There's the little film over the screen, and yeah, so that is the display screen there. That is pretty awesome. Okay, right, in the bottom of here somewhere, oh, we have a little couple of stickers as well there from Insta360, maybe to put on your camera box. I'm thinking about actually getting maybe a hard case. I'm not sure yet. We might upgrade to a hard case because this kind of equipment does get transported around with us. But there's our little charging cable. Again, I need to introduce a pair of scissors and just snip through that carefully, and there we go. So there is the little charging cable that will then snick in there to charge her up. So that's really neat. The USB on the other end, that's perfect. So the next little bit of information, I'm just looking through the quick start little booklet, and the next little piece of information we need is that on button, which is just on the side of the camera, which is there. I'm sort of just doing this. There he goes. Okay, we're just booting up. English. Oh, nice light on the bottom. Download the Insta360 app in Apple Store or Google Play to activate your camera. So that looks like the next little thing I need to do, really. So I've downloaded the Insta360 app, and I'll open that one and agree to the conditions. Do you have, yes, we have a device. So we're going to turn everything allowed to use Bluetooth and the network. Okay, we'll go for allow full access to the album, local network, notifications, go to the app. So there is, okay, let's connect on. Connecting to the app, looks fairly simple. Just ignite the camera and connect. Okay, so the camera now is actually energized, and everything looks to be working perfectly. I need to get this ASAP on charge. There's only one battery symbol, so I'll probably get it charging tonight, and we'll get going with the camera then, make some good video hopefully. So it's exciting stuff. So we have got we were recommended by Insta to get the lens rubber cover. So let's get this out, because this is a typical example of where I've just put the camera down on the lens. So we need to address this situation pretty pronto by getting and try and get in the habit. So we'll get this rubber cover out of the packaging. Again, all sealed away. There it is, a nice little heavy duty cover there. That's what we want to be doing. And then every time you put it down, it's not going to damage that bubble of the lens at all. So by all accounts, this camera has actually got 4 microphones on it, and you can see one there, and there's one either side of the top. So it's got some good sound. It'll be interesting to see what the sound's like as well. But it looks a very well made bit of kit. Okay, so I've just switched it on, swipe left to right, so I'm just getting to sort of feel the touch screen, just getting to sort of feel how much you need to sort of put the pressure on. There's the video, and you can go from 360 degree to single lens, so that is pretty impressive. Yeah, straight away look, I'm getting that sort of 360 view on that, so that's it's all very, very nice. And I just seen if I back into more settings by just pulling down from the top of the screen to the bottom, so there's more settings here, the brightness, and loads of different settings in there, brightness of the screen, sound. So it looks a really amazing little device. Star So I've got to get into this a little bit, and but I'm just to sort of get in. I just wanted to literally show you guys what it's all about, and from my point of view, having not actually seen this camera, but it feels so good, and just sort of getting the feel of it, sort of the different kind of feel from the GoPro that I'm pretty used to, but I'm really hoping to get to grips with this X3 and see what the capabilities, and introduce some of that 360 dimension into some of the videos we're making. So and the next thing is this selfie stick. I'm probably going to get this out when we're out in the field. So it's basically a massive selfie stick, so you can swing it around, almost get like sort of almost like drone shotty kind of spectrum shots with it, and so away from you, looking back, different angles. So it's super exciting stuff. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I'm going to leave the video there, and I'm literally going to have a little mess around with this camera now, and over the next few weeks try and get to grips with it, and see what we can come up with. And it looks, I'm pretty excited, to be honest. Okay, so thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed watching this one, and this is a layman terms video of the Insta360. So we're not getting too technical. If you want technical, there's probably other very good videos available on YouTube. So this is just jof unboxing an Insta360, and let's see what happens with this camera and see what kind of footage. And I must get into the habit of getting that lens cap back on, so that protection is there.